Hello, everyone. Welcome to the Breakroom Chats. My name is Audrey and I am the Principal Product Marketing Manager at Broadcom for Kubernetes on VMware Cloud Foundation. So in today's episode, we'll talk about the vSphere Kubernetes service, specifically the latest 3.4 release. I'm so excited today to have Kishan Malu, the Technical Product Manager on the VCF team, with me today for the discussion. So, Kishan, thanks for joining me today. Would you please give our audience a quick intro of yourself?
Absolutely. Thank you, Audrey, for having me here. My name is Kishan Malur. I'm the Technology Product Manager for VKS as part of the VCF team. I'm happy to be here in this conversation with you, Audrey.
Sure, same here. So, Kishan, to start off our conversation, could you explain what a vSphere Kubernetes service will go with VKS in this conversation? Maybe in simple terms. So, and why it plays such an important role for our customers.
Absolutely. vSphere Kubernetes Service, or VKS, is one of the built-in cloud services within the VCF platform. It empowers customers to run and manage Kubernetes. Think of it as a core engine that brings the cloud-native capabilities directly into the VCF environment. So, why is it important for our customers? Well, it actually boils down to a few key reasons. Firstly, VKS makes deploying and managing Kubernetes incredibly simple and on demand. Instead of lengthy manual setups, VKS allows you to spin up fully conformant upstream aligned Kubernetes clusters whenever you need them. Once they are up and running, VKS handles the lifecycle from creation, scaling, upgrade, patching, all with minimal effort. VKS provides incredible flexibility in how you manage your Kubernetes fleet. Whether you prefer to automate everything programmatically through APIs or command line interface, or leverage popular infrastructure as a code like Terraform, or even manage through intuitive VCF Cloud Foundation automation portal, VKS supports your preferred workflow. We have recently introduced Argo CD service, which helps you manage your VKS clusters through GitOps tooling. Thirdly, and finally, it offers deep seamless integration with your existing vSphere infrastructure. This isn't just Kubernetes running on vSphere. This is Kubernetes optimized by vSphere. It seamlessly integrates with the underlying virtual hardware like your storage, networking, even GPUs. This ensures your applications get the performance, the resilience, and the security they need, directly leveraging the existing deployments, existing infrastructure. Ultimately, VKS takes the complexity out of operating Kubernetes at scale, allowing our customers to focus on what matters the most to them. That is, building and running modern innovative applications.
Awesome. Yeah. I know last month you authored the latest launch blog for VKS 3.4. And from your perspective, what are the key features in this release specifically, like these ones that strengthen Kubernetes capabilities for our users? Can you talk a little bit more about that?
That's absolutely right. It was fun writing that blog. And I'm even more thrilled that it's now available for our customers to upgrade. See, it truly brings out some significant enhancements, especially when it comes to strengthening the Kubernetes capabilities for our users. See, from my perspective, there are three standout features that really make a difference for anyone running Kubernetes on our platform. First, and the major one is we've introduced Kubernetes version 1.33, right? While staying with the current Kubernetes version is always important, what truly sets apart in VKS 3.4 is that we have announced the extended support for 133. We are providing the full 24 months of support for this particular version. That's an additional 12 months beyond what the community typically offers. Secondly, we are introducing support for Istio service mesh. See, as our customers scale their distributed microservice deployments, the complexity of managing network traffic, security, and resilience also grows exponentially. Istio addresses these challenges within the Kubernetes cluster. It empowers users to manage these complex network traffic patterns, crucial for progressive deployments, like, it may be a canary release, or it could be a blue-green deployment. It could be an A/B testing scenarios. Uh, or, if it is, it also enforces robust security across growing number of services through features and capabilities like mutual TLS, and definitely much more. So Istio is another great announcement or support that we are offering in VKS 3.4. And finally, for our customers, VCF customers, VKS 3.4 entitles them to use our multi-cluster management capability at no additional cost. This is a huge win for organizations who have multiple Kubernetes clusters. It provides a single point of control to manage and monitor an entire fleet of Kubernetes clusters across your organization. See, governing these diverse Kubernetes environments now has become significantly easier, streamlining the operations and improving the oversight without incurring any extra expenses. See, there are many powerful features that PKS 3.4 offers, but in my view, these three capabilities are top reasons why a customer would definitely be excited to upgrade. They directly enhance the stability, security, and manageability of the Kubernetes infrastructure.
That's so important. And for audience, for your reference, we also had an episode talking about the VKS cluster management and a steel mesh, a service mesh, like in detail with Jan Elson. So that's the other episode. If you would like to take a look, feel free to look for the episode 50. And also, Kishan, you also mentioned extended support. That is something like very important and valuable for our customers. So, would you walk us through the key benefits of extended support and how it helps them to maintain the stability and confidence in customers' environments?
So that's an excellent question, Audrey. Thank you so much for asking that. And it's frankly one of the most important aspects of VKS in this release, right? Most of the customers have been talking about it and asking us about it. See, here's how we approach it. We understand our customers need both the latest Kubernetes version, latest advancements in the Kubernetes, and also operational stability. That is what we have been understanding from our customers. So, over the last 18 months, we have worked diligently to ensure that we deliver the newest upstream Kubernetes version to the customers as fast as possible. For example, Kubernetes 133, we made it available in VKS in 3.4 in less than 8 weeks from its upstream release. That's incredibly fast. But here's where extended support comes in. Alongside this rapid delivery, we announced that 133 is going to be supported for a full 24 months. That's a significant 12 additional months of support beyond what open source community generally offers, or our other Kubernetes versions. That's what we offer, right? 12 months is what we have been offering. So this is significantly different from that. What does this mean for our customer, right? So first, this provides great planning flexibility for our customers. Imagine for organizations running critical production workloads, constant Kubernetes upgrades can be a significant overhead. This extended window gives our customers ample time to plan and space out their upgrade cycles and ensure a smooth, well orchestrated transition rather than feeling rushed, right? So that's one. Secondly, it dramatically reduces the operational burden. See, knowing your Kubernetes environment is fully supported for 2 years allows the teams to focus less on keeping the lights on and more on innovation, developing new application and driving business value for their organization. So that's why we believe it's a great uh, uh, important release, important aspect of 3.4. Finally, you can be assured that that your VKS environment, especially for those crucial production clusters, it will remain stable, secure, and fully supported for the extended period, minimizing any unforeseen disruptions and maximizing uptime for that. Ultimately, whether you're eager to get your hands on the very latest Kubernetes feature, or you need a rock solid, a long-term, stable production environment, VKS with its extended support caters to both ends of the spectrum, giving our customers best of the both worlds. Yeah.
It's really exciting for our customers. For our chat today, you were talking about the upstream conformance Kubernetes distributions, which is available in our VCF. So look ahead, how these Kubernetes features will bring unique values to our customer now and in the
Mhm.
future. Can you tell me about that?
That's a fantastic question, Audrey. See, as it gets to the heart of the value, the immense value that we deliver to the customers, to our customers. First, let's address what upstream conformant Kubernetes means and why is it so critical. At VMware, we are deeply committed to the Kubernetes community. In fact, we are one of the top three contributors to the ecosystem, to the Kubernetes contributors in the last 3 years. If you look at the contribution, we are one of the top three. What this means for our customers, both now and in the future, is fundamental. See, because VKS strictly adheres to upstream Kubernetes specification, any application designed to run on a standard Kubernetes, conformant Kubernetes, will run seamlessly on VKS with VCF within the VCF platform. This gives our customers unparalleled flexibility. Their application, their developer skills, their investments are completely portable, future-proofed, and not tied to a proprietary implementation. Okay. Secondly, by being conformant, VKS instantly aligns with the vast and evolving cloud native ecosystem. This means customer can leverage any standard Kubernetes tool or integration or any practice they choose for CI/CD monitoring, for CI/CD, for monitoring, security, or anything else. They aren't forced into any vendor-specific solution, right? So imagine this, uh, you know, built upon a rock solid enterprise grade VCF. So your Kubernetes clusters automatically inherit the proven, reliable, deeply integrated with vSphere's advanced compute, storage, networking capability, the robust security features the VCF is renowned for. This is what makes if you take the future, if you take the now, if you take now or the future, this is what makes it really interesting and compelling for our customers to this is the value actually that is unlocked by having what do you call the open source, aligning with the open source Kubernetes is what I would say.
Totally agree. And Kishan, this is such a great conversation with you, and I really enjoyed it. And also, like VKS is a really important component in VCF. I'm sure we will have other episodes with you again, talk about more about the future features. And with that, it brings us to end to of close to the end of this episode. I enjoyed conversation with you again, Kishan. Thanks for joining me. For the audience, if you enjoyed as well, be sure to join us again for the next one. I'm your host, Audrey Bien, and thanks for watching. Have a wonderful day. Bye.